Hello children, how are you? Welcome to the video session ma. In last video we learnt unitary method na ma. So in today's class also we'll continue the same ma with many more examples ma. Just recall what we learnt in the last video ma. So what is an unitary method ma? Unitary method. So what is an unitary method? In the unitary method ma, he gave the value of many and he asked either many more or many less or many less. So in this one we inculcate what we inculcate ma, we inculcate unit. So first we find the value of unit ma. So we are finding the value of unit. Okay ma. So for example, if he gave the value of 5 articles, okay ma, and he asked only 3, so here many less ma. So first what we have to do ma, we have to find out the value of 1 article. Okay ma. In another example, if he gave the value of 14 articles and he asked the value of 26 articles, so many more. Here also first we have to find out the value of unit. So how we get the value of unit? By division. Then how we get the value of 26 ma? By multiplication. So here first we do the division ma. By division we find the value of 1 article. Then we do multiplication. By multiplication we find how many articles you want to know. By multiplication we can find ma. So if he gave 1 and if you want to find more, how we get more values ma? By multiplication. And if he gave more, how we get one value of 1 article? By division. Okay children, these are the points we learnt in the last class ma. Okay, let's move to the next example. Okay children. Okay children, first read the sum ma. Whenever you find the word problems, first you have to read the problem properly. So what is the sum ma? A car travels distance of 550 kilometers in 5 hours. So how many hours ma? In 5 hours. And how much distance the car traveled by the car ma? 550 kilometers. What distance will the car cover in 7 hours? So he gave 5 and he is asking 7. So he gave 5 ma and he is asking 7. Means he is asking many more. What he is asking? He is asking many more. He gave many and he is asking more than that one. He gave many, that is 5. 5 is many here. So he is asking 7. 7 is bigger than 5 nama, more. So here what we are doing ma? We are inculcating the unit. That means first we are finding the value of unit. Unit means here 1. Now, okay ma? So, okay children, so first you have to find the how much the car travel in 1 hour. Okay ma? So from many to 1, how we get ma? 5 to 1 means many to 1. How we get many to 1? How we get ma? Many to 1 by division. So in unitary method, first we have to do the division. The first step is division. So what is the, write the solution children. So distance traveled by the car in how many hours ma? 5 hours. Distance traveled by the car in 5 hours. Okay children. So how much it traveled in 5 hours? 550 kilometers. How much children? 550 kilometers. And first what you have to find out ma? We have to find out distance traveled by the car in 1 hour. Distance traveled by the car in 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay, ma? So first what we have to do, ma? Many to 1. So by division, ma, 550 divided by 5. So do you know the divisions, ma? So do the division, ma. 5 divides 550. 5 1 is 5. What is the next number? 5. Bring down the 5, ma. So again 5 1 is 5. So what is the next number? 0. Bring down the 0, children. So 0. Okay, children, this is the remainder. So distance traveled by the car in 1 hour is equal to, what is the question, ma? What we get, ma? 110 kilometers. 110 kilometers. And what he asked, ma? He asked distance traveled by the car in 7 hours. Distance traveled by the car in 7 hours. So now 1 to many, we know the 1, ma. In 1 hour the car traveled 110 kilometers. Car in 7 hours. How much, ma? How we get, ma? 1 to many? Simple, ma, by multiplication. 110 into 7. Okay, children? So 7 zeros, 0. 7 1 is 7. Again 7 1 is 7. So how many kilometers is traveled in 7 hours, ma? 770 kilometers. Okay, children, do you understand, ma? Okay, let's move to the next sum. Children, did the sum, ma? 5 buses carry 325 passengers. Okay, ma? In 5 buses, ma, total how many passengers are there? 325 passengers are there. How many passengers can be carried by 8 such buses? So he gave 5 buses, ma. Okay, ma? He gave 5 buses and he asked 8. Okay, children? So many to, again he's asking many more. Many more. Okay, children? So obviously we are inculcate here unit. Okay, children? We are inculcate unit here. So we'll find how many number of passengers in one bus. Okay, ma? Okay, children? So what is the solution, ma? What is the first step, ma? Number of passengers traveled in or carried, whatever, in 5 buses. How many, ma? 325. How many? 325 people traveled in 5 buses, ma. So first we have to find out number of passengers traveled in one bus. Number of passengers traveled in one bus. How many, ma? How we get? By division. So 325 divides 5. Okay, children? So 5 divides 325. So 325 divided by 5. So in 5 table, ma, 32. 32 is there, no, but 30 is there. 5 6 are 30. So when you subtract 0 from 2, what you get? 2. And you have to bring down the next number, that is 5. So it's become 25. In 5 table 25 is there, nama. 5 5s are 25. Okay children, 25 minus 25, 0 is the remainder. So what is the quotient, ma? 65. So in one bus, how many people are there, ma? 65 people can travel in one bus. Okay children, and he is asking 8, ma. So number of passengers travel in 8 buses. Number of passengers traveled in 8 buses. So how we get, ma? 1 to many by simple multiplication. 65 by just I'm doing the multiplication here, ma. 65 into 8. So how much, ma? 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are how much, ma? 48. 48 plus 4, 520. 52, ma. 520. So total 500 people can travel in 8 buses, children. Okay children. So this is the fifth sum, ma. Please pause the video and copy the solution, children. Okay, ma. After copying that one, you have to copy the sixth sum also, ma. 5 and 6 sums, ma. Okay children, let's move to the next sum, that is 7th one. Okay children, what is the sum, ma? Read this one. If the cost of 500 bricks is rupees 6,000, then what would be the cost of 150 such bricks? So he first gave the cost of 500 bricks, ma, and he is asking cost of 150 bricks. So he is giving many and he is asking many less. Okay children. Okay, thank you. Many, he gave the many, that is 500. And what he's asking, he's asking many less. Many less. 150 is less than 500, nama. He's asking 150. So how we get, ma? By using unitary method, we solve this sum. Which method, ma? Unitary method. In unitary method, which operations we are using, ma? First we are using division, then multiplication. So by division we find the value of one thing, then we will find the value of whatever he asked, either many more or many less. Okay, ma? Many less or many more. Okay children, let's come back to the sum, children. Now what is the cost of 500 bricks, ma? Cost of 500 bricks is how much, children? 6,000 rupees. 6,000 rupees. Okay children. And so in unitary method, what we'll find, ma? First we'll find the cost of one brick. Cost of one brick. How much, ma? How we get? By division. 6,000 divided by 500. Okay children. $500 ones are 500. So 600 minus 500, what we get, ma? 100. And 1 0 is left, number, bring down that 0. So that is 1000. What is this, ma? 1000. So 500 twos are 1000. So what is the quotient, children? 12. So cost of one brick is how much, ma? 12 rupees. How much, ma? 12 rupees. So how many you have to find, ma? Now you have to find out cost of 150 bricks. So how we get ma? I think now you are familiar ma. We did the division, so what left? Only multiplication left. So 150 into 12. Okay children, so multiplication, 12 zeros are 0, 12 fives are 60. So I am writing 0 here, 6 we carried ma. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 6, how much ma? 18. So cost of 150 bricks is equal to rupees 1800. Okay children, do you understand ma? Then let's move to the next sum. Okay children, a family consumes, means they are using 20 kg of rice in 10 days. Okay ma? In 10 days, how much rice ma they are using? 20 kg of rice. And what he is asking ma, how much rice will be consumed in 30 days? And he gave 10. And he is asking 30. Okay ma? He gave many. He is asking many more. So we are inculcate the unit nama. So first we'll find the value of one day ma. In one day how much rice they consumed by finding that one. Then we'll find out the next one. Okay children. So what is the first step children? Quantity of rice. Quantity of rice used in 10 days. How much ma? In 10 days how much rice they are using ma? 20 kg. How much children? 20 kg. Okay children. So in one day how much rice they have to use ma? They need to use quantity of rice. Used by a family in one day. Consumed by a family in one day. You can write like that one also, in one day. So how we get children? Many to 1 by division. 20 divided by 10. Very simple ma. 10 divides 20. So 10 twos are 20. So how much ma? 2 kgs. Per day they are using 2 kg of rice ma. So in 30 days how much? Just multiplication ma, simple multiplication. Quantity of rice used in 30 days by family. So 1 to many, how we get 1 to many children? By multiplication. Per one day how much ma they are using, how much rice ma? 2 kg. So 30 into 2. So 2 table ma, very easy. 2 zeros are 0, 2 3s are 60. So how much rice they are using in 30 days ma? 60 kgs of rice children. Okay children. Okay, let's move to the next one ma. So do you want to copy these sums? Please copy the 7th sum ma. Here pause the video and copy it ma. Okay children, and 8th sum also. Okay children, I hope that you copied ma. So move to the 9th sum. Okay children, this sum is from our textbook ma. In 12th page you find this sum ma. And Bhajan, first I will read the sum ma. Please listen properly children. Bhajan went to buy bricks ma. So he want to buy bricks. So the price was given for 1000 bricks. Here one list is there ma. Here he gave the price ma, that is the 1000 bricks ma. The prices were also different for different types of bricks ma. Here different for I type twice ma, only once ma, different for different types of bricks. Okay ma, let's move to the sum. Old bricks is cost of 1200 ma, means 1200 for 1000 bricks. Old bricks, what is the cost of old bricks ma? 1000 bricks for 1200 rupees each one. Okay, 1000 bricks are. And new bricks from Intapur. Okay ma, Intapur. Inta is a Hindi word for brick ma. Inta, int means brick ma in Hindi, so he used that word here. new bricks from Intapur. What is the cost of new bricks ma? We sold in Intapur. That is 1800 ma. For 1000 bricks, 1800 rupees ma. Those are new bricks. Those are from Intapur. And third one, new bricks from Brickabad. Okay ma, Brickabad. Brick. Already brick. Okay ma. So what is the cost of ma? 1000 bricks are 2000 rupees. Okay ma. Old bricks 1200 rupees. Okay ma. New bricks from Intapur 1800 rupees. And new bricks from Brickabad 2000 rupees ma. Okay ma. So what he want to buy ma? Bajrang decided to buy the new bricks. He want to purchase new bricks ma, first of all. From where ma? From Brickabad. So what is the cost of 1000 bricks in Brickabad ma? 2000 rupees. The cost of 1000 bricks are 2000 rupees. And he bought 3000 bricks ma. How many bricks he bought ma? 3000 bricks. How much did he pay? This is the first question. Okay ma? He bought bricks. How many bricks he bought ma? He bought 3000 bricks. Okay ma? From where he brought? He bought 3000 bricks. From where he brought ma? He brought from Brickabad. Where he brought ma? He brought from Brickabad. In Brickabad ma, 1000 bricks are how much ma? 2000 rupees. Okay ma, 2000 rupees. Cost of 1000 bricks are 2000. So he bought how many bricks? 3000 bricks. And what he said ma, do this without writing. Without writing you have to do this one. Okay children, so apply simple logic here ma. 1000 bricks 2000 rupees. Okay ma. So 3000 means that is 3 times. 3000 is 3 times of 1000. Isn't it? 3 times of 1000, that is 3000. Okay ma. So we have to, this side also we have to 3 times of 2000 rupees. 3 into 2000. 3 2s are how much ma? 6000. Without any writing we can solve this sum by using a small thing, or you can use a unitary method also ma. You can try that ma. Okay children, and come to the next question. Guess what he will pay if he buy 500 old bricks. So what is the cost of old bricks ma? 1000 bricks are how much ma? 1200 rupees. That means 1200 rupees. Okay ma. And what he said, do this without writing. So just apply simple logic ma. What he asked ma? He asked 5000 bricks. So 5000 is half in 1000 na ma. Just half of 1000 is 500. Is it ma? Half of 1000 is 500 rupees. So he is asking half. So just half the value also ma. What is the value? 1200, that is 1200. Half it ma, 1200. What is the half of the 1200? That is 600. So cost of 500 old bricks is 600. Okay children, is that clear ma? Okay children, I hope that you are understand ma. So in the unitary method you have to recall these points ma. These are very important. If you understand these points you can solve very easily ma. So what is the first point ma? More is the number of articles, more is the value. If he ask more ma, so many more, the value always increased ma. Okay ma. Obviously ma, if you find out the multiply with the big number you get the big value. And the second point is less is the number of articles. If he asks many less, the value also decrease ma. Less is the value. Okay ma. What is the first point ma? If he asks many more, the value always more ma. And the second point, if the value is less, if he asks the less ma, many less, so the value also less ma. Come to the third point ma. How do you find the value of one article ma? So value of number of articles by number of articles. By division we are doing ma, value of number of articles. Okay ma. Come to the fourth point. Value of number of articles is equal to value of one article into number of articles. If you want to find out the value of 5 articles is equal to, so what is the cost of one article is 10 rupees. So 5 articles, if you multiply with 5, 5 tens are 50. Okay children, so these are the 4 points. You just understand this one ma. Okay children. Okay children, I hope that you are understand this one ma, that you understand the unitary method ma. So please practice ma, keep practicing. Practice makes man perfect. So keep practicing. To learn maths, this is the simple fundama. More practice. Okay children, practice well. Thank you ma, have a nice day.